How to connect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wired and wireless for both, but the Android Auto is only wired, no wireless. Previously was saying that there's no wireless for Android Auto in my previous video, so forget about it, I've deleted it. By default, there's no wireless Android Auto, but after some search around, I found that there's a hidden feature that can set it to wireless. Come, I show you. Before we start, even though this is the latest Civic Type R called FL5, when you get the unit from Japan, this is the only language that you can have, Japanese. You can't set it to other language that you want. Here, as you can see, Apple CarPlay, you can connect via Bluetooth, named Honda HFT, or USB. But for the Android Auto, there's only one, USB. Let me show you the hidden setting for you to change it to Android Auto wireless. You need to press and hold 3 buttons together. The home button, volume knob, and back. Home, volume knob, and back. Press together, press and hold. It's around 5 seconds. Yeah, it's in Japanese, but I already translate myself, I know where to go. Then, once you come into this screen, go here. Yeah, there's a lot of settings like camera or whatever, the screen or whatever. But for the Bluetooth connection, is this. The last one. After so many, this one. There you go. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You see, the Apple CarPlay USB wireless, but the Android Auto by default is like that. I don't know why. So just simply turn it on, and now it's on. Done. My old video was saying that there's no wireless Android Auto, so I've already removed the video. So to learn how to do the connection for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, whether it's wired or wirelessly, I have to do it again. We will start with the Apple CarPlay. Before we start, we connect to the Bluetooth first. So this is add device, this is the connection, smartphone connection. Press it, add device. So to add a new Apple device, settings, Bluetooth, Honda HFT. Pair. Now it's connected. How about, yeah, there's a lot of Japanese. Even me myself not really sure what it's saying. So we try to connect it using the USB cable. So I will plug it over here. I did know what it's saying because I did Google Translate this before. So you're saying that the Apple CarPlay blah blah blah, so to allow the location blah 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 everything. Okay, so this is yes, this is no. Okay, connect. Allow when your phone is locked. Done. This is how we connect our Apple CarPlay using the USB cable. And in my phone, it will ask enable or not. Okay, you want to enable wireless CarPlay or USB only? Of course I want to enable wireless. Enable. So now there's an Apple CarPlay icon here. Now it's connected. Okay, I unplug it and it's gone. But how about my wireless? How about my wireless? Here. See? It's already here. It's already here in my home. Okay? Apple CarPlay, wired or wireless, done. For the Android, as usual, plug the cable. Before I plug in, I guess we should connect the Bluetooth first. But how to connect when my Apple CarPlay is still here? Never mind, I straight away use the USB to connect Android Auto, even though I know that the Apple CarPlay is still running at the back. We try and see what happens. Oops. Nelly Pro, which is my iOS device, blah blah blah, Apple CarPlay. Yeah, you need to like, this is to disconnect Nelly Pro. Okay, press here. Disconnected. And now Android Auto. Connect. Alright. So this is the Android Auto. How is it? If I don't waste. Oh, okay. So now I'm connected to Android Auto. But how about the wireless? Unplug it. And then, yeah, I haven't connected my Bluetooth. Other connection. Bluetooth. Honda HFT. Connected, but call only. Autoplay music, video. So let's see, is the not yet. It should have wireless. Maybe the settings. Let me try using the USB cable to link it again. Next. Okay. Yeah, now it's using the USB cable. Why not when I remove? Then it's gone. Restart the car again. Let's see what happened. Okay. Blah blah blah. Don't know what. So it should be here. Wait, it's over here. Android Auto available. Done. Now it's wireless. Maybe we should restart the car, restart the unit, so it will connect it automatically. Maybe, I'm not so sure, but I'll try quite few ways, but it's still not connected. But now it's automatically connect. So this is how we do it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wired, wireless, wired, wireless, both available. But you have to know how to change it in the hidden settings. It's no longer hidden setting, right? Because the video is already up. So if any one of you or your friends and family who are having a FL5 or maybe any other model and they would like to use the Android Auto wireless, you can show them this video. Thank you.